18! Another SB19 photocard drop! And luckily, meron malapit sa area ko, which is at Shopwise Generoses. So there's a Dato Puti booth here, and you could try all the flavors of Dato Puti Adobo series. At alam nyo, ang bright ng idea ng gumawa nito. Kasi we Pinoys love adobo, diba? Pero this time, hindi na tayo mahirapan gawa ng iba't ibang klase. Kasi Dato Puti Adobo series is here! And after trying all the flavors, my vote is for the Humba series, which is ang paborito ni Ken. Kaya after that namili, para sa photocard naman. Kasi you just need to buy 2 packs to get 1 free photocard. At so far, ito yung pinaka-affordable at pinaka-win-win situation na makakakuha tayo ng photocard ng SB19. Ano ba naman kasi lahat masarap ng Adobo series. At for sure, magiging happy ang buong pamilya. So for this time highlighters and 18, I've got total of 30 cards. And the first one that I've got is Josh. So 4 more members plus the mystery card which is the OT5. So watch out na lang soon yung full unboxing video ko sa YouTube and Facebook. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, kung wala pa, humabol na bago magkaubusan.